12-year-old Elijah Salmon may soon be left fatherless by the U.S. government. His father, Jamaican immigrant Roxroy Salmon, is facing deportation because of 2 minor drug convictions from over 20 years ago. Like many other citizen children of immigrants facing deportation, Elijah and his 16 and 18-year-old sisters and newborn niece count on the Child Citizen Protection Act, created by Families for Freedom.
The reason the Child Citizen Protection Act came about is we saw that a lot of our parents were being deported and children were left behind with really no option or limited options.
Some kids end up living with family members, while others end up in foster care. And according to reports by the Mexican Congress, thousands are dumped at the U.S.-Mexico border and left to fend for themselves. The CCPA puts children's needs at the forefront of immigration discourse. It grants judges discretionary power in cases involving citizen children.
I wouldn't wish that on my enemy. Can you imagine how the father feels knowing he's in Jamaica and his kids is here? He's going through a lot of pain. And the kids are going over here stressing and going through pain too. It's disrupted. You have to live it to feel it, you know? Yeah, it's rough.
The situation is all too common. Reports reveal that for every 2 people detained in a raid, 1 child is left parentless. 2/3 of these children are U.S. citizens. Because of this, Youth Ministries for Peace and Justice actively supports the CCPA.
The youth-led campaign around the Child Citizen Protection Act is brand new and will involve finding creative ways to disseminate kind of youth voices on the issue because young people have a unique stake in the Child Citizen Protection Act.
12-year-old Rosa participates in YMPJ. Without her father, many things would change.
My mom will have to work, and since we have a baby brother, I will have to take care of him every day, and it'll be tougher for me because I will have to work and get money.
Meanwhile, Salmon expects his order of deportation to be put on hold and continues campaigning with Elijah.
I'm fighting that I don't have to leave my kids and leave my community. They don't realize they're destroying the fabric of our community. And they're the one that get up and said family values. Hurting the family and separating the family is not family values. You know, that's uncivilized.
New York Congressman Jose Serrano is currently sponsoring the bill, which was reintroduced as H.R. 182 in the new congressional session. It is up to him and the bill's co-sponsors to make Elijah, Rose, and other kids' futures their top priority. After all, one day they too will be voting citizens. Reporting from New York City, this is Natalia Ospina.